Okay, in this video I want to spend a couple minutes and talk to you about proper follow-up techniques. First of all, what we have to understand about our business, whether it's the MyEvolve system online or the Evolve Life Team network marketing business that helps you to grow your Evolve Health business, we make money in this business for doing one thing. It's talking to new people about our products and about the opportunity. Now, here's the basis of what we're doing. If you've looked at what we've already done in the video training series, number one, we've talked about developing a list and creating together your dream team. And then we want to expose people to the business. Follow the sales funnel approach that we've put together here on the MyEvolve system website, or a traditional sales funnel where you call people up, renew your relationship with them, and then expose them to the opportunity. Let me give you a little bit of a tip on building a network marketing business. People are not going to join the business with you the very first time you talk to them. In fact, literally less than 10% of people I've ever sponsored into a network marketing business ever join the business the day that I call them. It's all about developing proper follow-up techniques. You know, I've asked people as I've traveled around the world, what are the percentages of getting somebody to join a network marketing business? I mean, of all the people that you talk to and expose to the business, what percentage of those people will actually sign up and buy the Visionary Pack? The answers have been varied, ranging from 1 in 10 to 2 in 10 to 2 in 20 and on and on and on. But the reality is this. The real odds of you getting anybody to join are 1 in 365. Now, hey, before you quit or hang up this video, let me explain that to you. Your chances of getting somebody to join a network marketing business with you are directly related to catching them on the right day. You see, let's say, for example, your prospect just tomorrow wins the New York City Mega Super Bucks Lottery, $300 million, and you've called them the next day to join the business. Are they going to join? Well, obviously not. But did you know that 97% of people that win lotteries are broke within 2 years? So let's say you just stay in touch with them. You call them on a regular basis, you reach out to them, you build the relationship through all of those experiences, and 2 years later, you call that same person, they're flat broke, and you call them with an upbeat, cheery smile. What are the chances of them joining the business that day? Obviously a lot higher. And that's the secret to follow-up. You see, the idea is this. People are going to join the business when they know you, like you, and trust you. So once you've moved them through the sales funnel, you should bring them to the point of logical conclusion. That means a point where they've got all the information that they need, and they can logically say, yes, I'm interested, no, I'm not, or maybe, tell me more. So when you've done that with people, you're going to ask them, are you ready to get started today? I want to partner with you in the business. We'll talk more about that in the closing video. But if they say no to you, well then stop. Don't push them any further because you're going to offend them in that process. No, instead, develop a proper system for following up with them. I like to use Outlook on the computer because Outlook reminds me about appointments. And I always put everybody I'm prospecting into Outlook so that 30 or 35 days later, I'm reminded to call the person back and to follow up with them. And I continue just to stay in touch with people. About 2 years ago, I sponsored a woman into my network marketing business in Florida. I had first prospected her 2 years earlier. I followed up with her once every 6 to 7 weeks for 2 years. And guess what? In the process, I became really great friends with her. I know her husband, I know her kids. It was all over the telephone. Each conversation lasted less than 10 minutes, and it was a lot of fun. After 2 years, I sent her an email on her birthday because I had that information. I said, happy birthday. I'm just checking in with you. She called me right away and said, Ken, I'm ready to join the business today. Then I had to tell her I wasn't even in the same company anymore, but it was all right because she joined the business with me. That's the secret to follow-up. Remember that prospecting in network marketing is an occurrence. It's not an event. It takes time and it's over an extended period of time. So be patient with it, build the relationships, and put a system in place to keep track of the follow-up. There's lots of opportunities to choose from for tracking your follow-ups. From software that you can buy, you can even use the CRM program that we've built into MyEvolve system. Whatever you decide to do, keep track of your follow-ups, be consistent, build relationships, and sign up more people in your business.